Hi folks, today we are going to see about the DB utils. DB utils in Databricks actually. DB utils it helps to do some it helps to perform some task utility kind of task in Databricks actually. What kind of utilities means? First one is you can play with the file systems actually. You can copy list the files in the folder, which means HTML folder, and also you can delete the files actually through the DBFS utils. Apart from that, you can parameterize your notebooks actually. Uh, those functions offered by the DB utils. Apart from that, you can maintain secrets actually using DB utils function. Today we are going to see about the DB utils FS commands actually, which is meant to be for file system operations actually. Okay. Okay, this is a dbutils.help. It will list down the context of the functions actually. What are the context of functions? It offered by dbutils. The credentials, FS file system. Today we are going to see about the library things actually. Library utils, meta utils actually. So meta utils and notebook utils are experimental. There is one another risk of preview is there actually. We'll see in later sections actually. Secrets are there actually. Suppose you want to maintain the secrets in the within a notebooks actually. We can use the secret details. Apart from that, widget details are there actually. Okay, these are the details available in the DB utils. Okay, today we are going to see about the FS actually. DB utils.fs. It will reveal the list of functions what the DB utils will play with the file system actually. Okay. FS schedule and mount actually. Particularly, we are seeing about the FS schedule, which means copy the files and list down the files and make directory, moving files from one place to another, and removing the files actually. Okay. Using the FSLS option, it will list down the file parameters actually, where the file resides. Actually, what's the name of the file? What is the size of it actually? It will FSLS. The same FSLS for folder, it will list down the files actually. Files or tables actually. Okay, it will list down the files. Okay, along the names and size actually. Okay. Okay. Suppose you want to make directory under the file store thing. Actually, I'm going to execute this fs make drs function, mkdrs dirs. It will the output will be the true, which means the directory has been created. Suppose I try to execute the same, it will return true only because already it's there actually. If there is an suppose I'm just trying to create mkdarks and the non true, which means the file store one and common will create it actually. This is a UA option. You can see the list of files and folders actually. It is created and underlying folders also, concatenate folders also created actually. Okay. Okay. I'm copying the IND file which exists in this folder to the common folder which we have created previously through mkdirs. Okay. I'm going to execute this thing. It will return true, which means the files has been copied from this tables into common folder actually. Okay, we can verify using this fsls command by mentioning the whole path of the file. Yeah, it is there. Actual file is there. Finally, I'm going to remove this file, the newly copied file. I'm going to remove this file by using the rm remove function. Okay, once it is true, we have it's removed actually. Again, I try to execute this thing. It will return false because the file does not exist in the specific location. Finally, I'm going to list down the above file whether it exists or not because we already removed. That's why the file not found exception comes into picture. Okay, this is for today actually. We have seen the dbutil function, um, that too specific to the file system utils, listing the files, creating directory in the file system, and copy the files from one folder to another, and deleting the files actually. That's it, folks. Actually, today.